cats.
Yes.
Aww.
No, I got a guitar.
Guitar. Oh, look at them. Look at the moose at the top. Is it a moose? Oh my god, they got a big cat. Oh, it's a lobster. Look at the lobster. What's that at the back? Oh, it's a mini octopus. You wanted the big octopus? He's cute.
Oh, I like him.
He's cute.
I'm holding on to him.
Oh, I think if you do the face at Daddy. Just one. Oh, the fruit is cute.
I want him.
What is he? A baguette? A loaf of bread?
Yeah.
Is he like a sourdough?
Yeah, he's so cute.
Doggy.
Get fit going up here.
You would.
Harry, you know you said about running?
Yeah.
You might be running up this hill.
Yeah.
Static, but I think like fully electric.
So if we go straight, no, we came around the corner, didn't we?
Yeah, it's corner.
Oh yeah, because that little seagull was up there, wasn't it? Oh, look at that. It's like a little, it's almost like a stable. Oh yeah, he is, little baby seagull. Everything's just like little nooks and... Have a look in the shop, Chloe, first. Oh yeah, have a look. It's very pretty. So gorgeous. Yeah, you can go down there and have a paddle, Chloe. It's cute, isn't it? Is that like a little... Huh? So cute. Oh, jeez. Huh? Pretty, isn't it? Very pretty. Beautiful. Huh? It's deep.
No, it's deep.
That's not deep.
You can jump to the bottom, that's quite cool.
Yeah, you won't be able to stand up, or we might just be able to.
No, you wouldn't be able to stand on that at all.
Huh?
Mad.
What?
It's about 30 foot.
Is it?
It's the bottom, stand up.
Yeah, yeah. Because I think we can sit on the middle bit as well. Yeah.
You can hang off the sides as well, can't you?
Jump in, dive in, have a swim.
There's a rope that pulls along behind.
There's also a ladder.
Yeah.
That rope, sorry.
Yeah. Don't drop your phone up inside there. It's quite windy actually. Should get going. I think you can go up to that castle. Huh?
Can I get these three things?
Ask Daddy.
Daddy, can I get these three things?
Oh, crumbs. Oh, I can smell fish and chips or something. Smell something cooking. Good looking.
On ice cream and waffle. Hi.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if it's over there, Polruan. Look at that little blue and cream house over there. It's cute, isn't it? It's very pretty.
They're always on the move. The couple just like, can't stop moving.
Lots to see. That's why. Pottery studio and shop. I found my little shop. Do lots of different cones. Lots of different flavours. Show Nanny. Right, is it stopped raining? Thank you. Left. I can smell something really good, like baked. Look at that. I can smell it cooking over there. It's like a slab of chocolate. Yeah, I think that's going to be nice.
All of it. I don't want to do it.
Lemon. Right, baby.
I need to.
Huh?
I want a video.
Yeah, that's fine.
On the way round, I'll stop and point one or two things out. Please feel free to ask any questions. The ones I don't answer, I'll make something up. So, you know, in here, they're tube life jackets, children's and adult sizes. In the event of any problems arising, could you please just be me? Okay?
Beautiful on a really stormy day.
Wow. Why not to get here though?
I don't know, because you're quite close to the neck of the sea. It's pretty. You wouldn't even. You could believe you were in a different country.
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine if Mummy slept water there. Come out plonk in the water.
Yeah, that's how you know there's no storms.
Yeah.
That'd be gone. So it must be fairly calm here all
Yeah. You can kind of see where the water goes up to on the rocks. Where the black goes to.
The house with the front yard's on 1925. It was then converted into dwellings, and it was a Swiss cottage. The Laurier family moved in the following year. They renamed it Ferry. Present day, nothing so still average, somewhere between 1.5 and 2 million tonnes a year were going out through the port. And in decline, last year they only managed to make 300,000 tonnes. A couple of reasons for this. The first one being the companies found cheaper deposits in China clay over in Brazil, and the concentrated on that. And the other, 80% of the clay produced today goes to the paper making industry, and the use of paper has plummeted over the last 10 or 12 years. Still goes into a lot of ceramics, plastics, paints, pharmaceuticals. Pick a pencil up, the harder the pencil, the higher the China clay content in the graphite paints. And you probably all had some in your mouth this morning. Toothpaste. It's not China clay toothpaste. On the other shore over at Polruan, similar building, same age, obviously far better condition. These are part of the port communication. Between these 2 points, they had an iron linked chain stretched across, and the chain itself can be raised or lowered. Any vessel heading towards the port deemed to be a threat, the chain was raised denying them access. And the people of Polruan, they drew the short straw, they got the end of the chain with a winding handle.
Oh. Huh?
Gets hot, we should go there.
Yeah, it should be. I think it does Thursday, Friday. Need to find out the name of him.
I think he said you get the bus.
Yeah.
So you can go over to there.
Yeah.
So I can drive there.
Are we this side?
Yeah, so I can get the car ferry across.
Yeah.
And just drive there.
Yeah. Glad you come, Chloe. Glad we did the boat trip. Yeah. Pretty lighthouse over there, look, right in the distance. Yeah.
Boat chores. Get out of the boat! Get out of the boat!
Would you want to get out of the boat? Not sure I'd want to get out of the boat.
Jumping up the boat here.
Punchy rock.
I see how.
Top of the rock is punchy. This cross marks the spot where the last river goes.
Very steep.
Over there, you tend to agree one of the better things to come from over there to view them over there from over there.
Yeah, we've got to get on the other one to go back home, yeah. jumper. A nice little, they were quite expensive though, weren't they? I don't think the beanies will be expensive, but that little pink top's cute, but it's not really me. Oh yeah, it's got a, right.
Go like, push the shop.
Are you going to get one of them?
Go to the shops, and then we can go to the beach afterwards, like with our stuff.
Yeah. Steven Seagal. She's putting extras on there for you, Chloe. It's got a flake on it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yum yum. That is your dessert. Not sure you needed a slice of cake as well, Chloe. It's holiday. Baby seagull's still there. Keeps coming back and feeding, obviously can't fly yet. Aww. This is our little spot round here for dinner. Our car is parked down there. And we are eating from the Lugger, Polruan. A little takeaway spot.
Look how big that boat is.
You live seen this earlier because I filmed this earlier. Oh, I wish I could put smell-o-vision through the video. Seagulls. Let's go get our dinner. Yeah, you can go in there and eat, but there was no space. This is where we got the ferry earlier. That boat over there goes over, and that's Fowey over there.
Yeah, we went over there earlier.
We went over there. I think it was about £8 a single trip for the three of us.
Like
And we're staying in one of the houses up there. But we're not going to tell you which one. Because that's private.
Sorry guys.
But yeah, very pretty. We went all the way around this, as you'll have seen.
I like to live like in any of those houses.
Yeah.
So really
We went on the little boat tour all around here, harbour and out to sea, so that was cool.
Yeah.
We just wish we had the dogs with us, don't we? Because I think they would have really enjoyed it. There's loads of dogs. You'll see, I'll put the video in of the little dog on the boat. Little dog, he's a big black Labrador. He was cute, wasn't he? I don't know if it'll pick up on sound. If you can hear us, then we are venturing into the wilderness. Sat nav is taking us down the teeniest lanes it can. I'm so glad we did bring your car.
This is like a dual carriageway compared to what we've just been down.
That they literally have to keep the bushes trimmed because you wouldn't fit through.
Yeah. I can see daylight, I can see a road.
Oh my god, yeah, we've literally had 20 minutes of driving on roads praying nobody's going to come down them. Surely there's got to be a main roadway. Sat nav's just been taking us like the scenic route. Right, we can see civilization now. Chloe can actually see white lions on a road. We haven't seen them for 20 minutes.
Well done, Daddy.
Yeah, well done, Daddy, because Mummy covered her eyes most of the way. Off to Loo for the day. We don't mean the toilet, we mean the place, Lou. It's that direction, isn't it? Is it that direction?
Keep going forward.
Didn't get it again. I think it's stuck, isn't it? It's a bit stuck. Is it a guaranteed win, isn't it? Still got 2 goes. You're gonna get the Barbie thing. What is the Barbie thing? One more go. smells like that. Does it? I don't think it does. It's pretty though, that goes out to sea. Colour of the water is just amazing though, considering like, you don't get that colour in Wales. But I suppose you're on the same side. Very pretty. I thought it's a little bit weird that it doesn't have fences on it. A little bit like yeah, I am a little bit twitchy, the fact that
Yeah, what are you going to do? Fall in the water?
well yeah, I suppose, but I don't really want to fall in the water.
Yourself, yeah, but
To be fair, it'd be quite choppy in that bit. You'd be surprised. Push you in. You can swim.
I'm scared to that house. It can rock right below.
The water is beautiful. Tomorrow begins beach days. Huh? Were we? Wow. Yeah, I don't remember. I don't know if we've said already, guys, but this is Looe we are in at the moment. All the shops are over that direction. We've just walked around. We're not really keen on that beach. It's a nice beach, but it's a bit of everybody sitting there staring at you. I'd rather go to a quiet beach.
But you know what?
I cannot believe the colour of the water. It's beautiful. No swimming, actually. I can believe that because it's actually quite choppy. That's a glass bottom boat. But that's cool. Yeah. It would be too, because there's no swimming. It would be far too choppy that side. You're going out to the sea, aren't you? I mean, that's obviously come from, must be water that wraps around. It's obviously not the, yeah. It's cool. How cute. The size of them? Oh, they look good. Oh yeah. Nanny is like that. It's a big fruit cake. Oh, look at the Victoria sponge. Look, it's got lemon cake. Oh,
Lemon cake yesterday was dry.
Daddy, look, Snickers brown. Yeah, it was horrible. Actually, the one we had yesterday was horrible.
I immediately took it back, but I was British.
Mars brownie, caramel cornflake brownie balls.
£4
Want a slice of cake? No? Pretty cool.
Let's hope with some spaces, yes.
This is why everybody's fitting to this video does not do it justice. It's far steeper than it looks. This is the way to the car park. Let's flip you around. Is it day 3? Day 3? Day 3 today. We are off to Looe.
I think day 4, but it's day 3.
Yeah, we came late day 1 we didn't really count because we travelled late that evening.
3 or 4 is fine.
So day 3 full day. We're off to Looe because when we were there yesterday we booked a dolphin and seal tour for 1 o'clock. It's now about 11:30, half an hour away. It gives us 45 minutes to Mooch for me to take a seasick tablet and then get on the boat.
Would you want to like 20 minutes early?
15, yeah. Oh my god. Daddy's back there. That does look pretty steep on there actually. We've literally walked from down there. It's really steep. It's very pretty though, look at that for a view. It's gorgeous. Oh, very pretty. Alright, next leg. Chloe's getting up the hill. You burn off everything you eat while you're here. Wowza, turn around, Chloe.
Can't go above 5 knots.
Say hi to the vlog. Huh?
You can't go above 5 knots until you're out.
Oh, okay. Oh, God. Right, let me.
Really carefully. 2 seconds.
God.
See some seals the other side of the rock town. Got their heads
I
out
see
of the
them.
water. There's more as we come further forward. So
Oh, yeah.
carry on, but
Yeah, yeah.
keep an eye
Oh,
out.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
See some seals in by the rocks there. We can't get any closer really. It's very close to the rocks.
Oh, yeah. He's got his little head stuck out.
In that gully there, what we do, there's another one quite close.
Seal
We go
with their head
front
down.
left of the boat.
Oh, yeah.
You guys at the front can see it.
Yeah. There he is. It's like a little sunbathing
I
with their
can see
heads.
them all in the middle as well.
Yeah. But they don't like to feed them so that they can bring them over.
Yeah, these are called Atlantic grey seals, so they weigh around 300 kilos when they're fully grown.
I'll just find it.
Some
It's gone
slightly
down.
lighter,
Oh, there's
some
another one.
slightly
Yeah, there's another
darker.
one there.
So the darker ones are the males, the slightly lighter ones are the females.
Oh. Cute.
Sticking his nose.
Yeah. I wonder why they poke their head out. It's like, who's that? Have they got any sausages for me? Fish. Cool video, I'm not sure. She said it'd be a cool video if it was on the whole time. Very windy. It's sunnier than what it was the other day when we came, isn't it? That house that you were saying is for sale, Rich. God. to be such a lovely day. Oh, look at that. Proper sailing one. What a catamaran, isn't it? They're waving to us or someone else, we don't know, but we'll wave.
Yeah, I'll wave. Right.
Look at that big ship going out to sea. Pirates of the Caribbean, though. Bye, Elsie. Back in a bit. Got on your meaty stick.
It's a whale.
Oh, that'd be cool. See how long I can hold on to it for.
Guys, I like my POV.
Bob's going numb. There comes a sailor boat.
My belly got wet. I feel like the back got quite sprayed though.
Oh, here we go.
Oh no. As soon as we pass him, I think we're going. Hold on tight.
Cows up there on the hill, and on the Wiser.
It's got wet.
Yeah, see if I can hang on to it for a bit. We're going fast. Here we
Nice isolated beach over to the right, so that was quite hard to get to. Most people would sort of paddleboard in there maybe. Normally quite a few boats anchored up here. I'm surprised it's empty today. You always see some yachts anchored up here. You've got two big headlands over in the base. There's always a bit of shelter to back up. It comes down to that main beach. From the coast of Park down, so you can see some people right up the top there. Zigzag down, way down to the beach. Quite a long way down, but it's worth it to get down. There's always one quiet spot.
I'll hold on to your thingy. Get a numb bum, Rich.
I think you'd have to. Sorry?
Get a numb bum.
Yeah. Stand up a little bit, don't you? See people walking up around there. And then you've got zigzag down. Yeah. You've got this one, you've got.
It's a pretty good view. What do you call it? Land Salos Beach.
Watch institution. So there's one down at Polruan, and the next one up's Rainhead. So they basically look out. I think volunteer, to be honest. Look out basically over the bay. If they can spot any sort of incidents, they'll report to the RNLI, Coast Guard, anything like that.
It's my tummy rumbling.
Back in the day,
It's my tummy rumbling.
someone would have lived there and been there sort of 24/7. So it's quite cool. The structure's still there.
I'd rather it be rumbling than thrown up now.
Yes, nice. So we'll carry on. Next spot now will be into Polruan Harbour. It's a little bit of a steam up, and then we'll stop sort of right into the back.
Just hold on to your clothes just in case.
It's like a docking bay.
Yeah.
What the thing? Can you send me it?
Oh, yeah, look, cute little cove in here.
Beach. Yeah, with the fishing boats. How'd I do? Alright.
I think that'll do. This is about 10 million.
Yeah.
I don't even sleep at night because the rock suddenly goes.
Oh, you're right. Right, isn't it?
I don't know.
It's not limestone anyway, is it? White.
Wow.
Awesome. Welcome to Polruan, guys. So Polruan is 3 miles down the coast to the west. There's about 3 miles to go to the back now. Lovely traditional fishing village. Main for the fishing is the fish for back in the day was the Cornish pilchards. Factories within Polruan that make their own delicacy. They would sell at the market within Polruan as well, so it's nice and local with the markets. Now these markets would attract traders and wholesalers from all over Europe. So we need for further south travel, there's Italy, Spain, Portugal, France as well. Come to Cornwall, come to Polruan to try out these delicacies and trade in them. You can stay within the 3 pilchards inns, that's the public feeding inns within Polruan.
Huh? Oh yeah, you can.
Obviously, we're going back now. We're going to pass Talon Bay. We're just doing a sweet event in Talon Bay. We're going to do that. It's a great bay, nice beach. Really, really, really lovely. Don't get paid to say that part. It's worth a visit. Lots of grass to do. We'll then come back up inside Looe Island as well. So on the way down. Yeah, no, that's a good price for that, isn't it? So, yeah. Say again?
Yummy? Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to do a nice scenic shot of where we're eating, and then the seagulls attacked the people behind us. There's a bit of food for you, that's why. He says hi. He's going to eat your trainer. Where the head goes.
Tiny little trainer.
Cute, isn't he? Alright. Cute, isn't he? Just get his shoe on. He says bye. They make me laugh when they walk, Chloe. Cookies and cream and mint chocolate chip, crunchy and salted caramel. I had a fudge stick, never seen that before.
No, fudge stick.
Fudge stick, yeah. I won't be able to eat all that, so you can have some. Right. We are parked on there. We have zipped along that coastline in our speedy boat. We are living down there in Polruan.
I'm not telling you which one.
Oh, what is that? It's a little National Coast Watch. And apparently this is quite nice parking up here. Oh, it's an exercise equipment. Do some exercise, Daddy. Where is the entrance? There? That looks like a gate. That a gate? It's a coastal watch. Little park on top of the hill. Someone's left their coat behind. Can you get in there? Oh, no dogs. Daddy, you're not allowed. There's no dogs. Not allowed. Oh, someone's left their jacket behind. Oh, let's pop that on the gate. On the fence. Pop it through there. It's quite a good slide.
Oh, friend, I'm going to climb up there.
There's a ladder on the other side. That's a pretty good view for a park. Like, that's a pretty good view, isn't it? Oh. We were just in that harbour. That's where we were filming. Wowza. House is down there somewhere. That's pretty cool. How pretty, and that's Fowey over there across the water. Oh, go around the other side, there's steps. Okay, try and get up there then. I don't think you're quite strong enough for that. You know, PMA and all that, but still close. Yeah. Actually getting your butt up there. Afraid of heights? What are you on about? It's quite a high one, isn't it? No, you'll be fine. Cool, that one. Oh, it's cold.
This bit's warm.
No, you'll be fine. Come on, get your butt up there. Come down the twisty slidey one. It's pretty cool exercise equipment with a good view. Like, can't really beat that for a good view. Could have gone up the rock climbing wall.
No,
Scaredy cat. Scaredy cat.
I'm not afraid of it.
Not afraid to admit it.
Huh?
You're going face first.
No.
So that's probably a surefire way to lose your teeth. How are you doing?
It's not like it's slide properly.
It's because you've got bare legs. Funny.
You can't go down it quickly.
Scale the nets, go on, Chloe. Huh? Come on. Yeah, you got to drop down from there. Going down the slide instead, you're wussing out. See Daddy doing the monkey bars, his trousers will fall down. Nobody needs to see that. This is the park with literally the best view I've ever seen in my life, I think. It's pretty spectacular. Pretty cool.
I'm going that way. That was a bit nicer. I don't know why.
Okay, go on then.
I don't know why, but it's a bit more inviting. Going that way.
You big old bruise on your leg. You're like me, you bruise like a peach. That was a good 2 or 3 seconds, Chloe. Improvement on last time.
My aim was to hang on there for 2 seconds. So
Yeah. It's a good view to work out to. Huh? Yeah. Go try and get off now. Go try and get off now.
It's not actually fun.
Funny. Secret little ways. Finding all the secret little passages into Polruan. Your thigh muscles and your calf muscles constantly feel like they're having a workout living here. Your little brown legs, Chloe Martin. Your little brown legs. Your little brown legs. Another steep hill. Oh god. Oh crumbs. I wonder how the elderly people get on around here. Oh, it
Have their little scooters.
keeps them young, I suppose.
They have to have their little scooters.
They did see a mobility scooter. I don't know how they get up that main hill on one of them. Must be a special one that's got good gravity control.
We're actually going down now.
We are. It's because we've come out. I think this has brought us out on that street where we came along yesterday. Yeah.